Time for us to switch to business, and the Central Bank of Kenya says printing of the new notes will cost taxpayers 14 billion shillings over the next 5 years. CBK Governor Kamau Thuge told the National Assembly Finance Committee that the tender was awarded to a Germany printing firm after consultations with the National Security Council.
While appearing before the National Assembly Finance Committee, CBK Governor Kamau Thuge told Parliament that the printing of the new notes will cost the government 14 billion shillings over the next 5 years.
How many 1,000 notes got thrown out or worn out and requires replacement through a procurement process that operates in secrecy?
Old notes, the old notes, they're going to be worn out, they'll be withdrawn from the system of circulation, so there will be the new ones to replace them. So, and that's the way it has always worked.
Thuge insists the classified procurement process was done in accordance with the law, adding that the German-based company was single-sourced after consultations with the National Security Council.
It doesn't resonate well why we should close a facility here and opt for a facility in Europe, notwithstanding all the other security dimensions.
Delarue, as I mentioned, made their own decision. They were having issues with being able to give you even their financial statement, whether they were making losses, but they made their own decision. Nobody forced them to make that decision.
CBK absolved itself from Delarue's exit from Kenyan market, saying the decision was solely made by the printing firm. Treasury is now expected to appear before the National Finance Committee to explain the fate of the 40% shareholding that the government had acquired at the Delarue. Gishuku Washira, Prime Edition.